Pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. From Grade-VII Sapphire, brought you news. Happy morning, my name is Joel from Grade-VII Sapphire, brought you news. International news. Rocket fire from Lebanon kills 5. In dentist attack on northern Israel. National news. Indian Chinese troops exchange sweet at several boundary points on Diwali. State news. Telangana move for more urban development. Authorities interrogates opposition. Sports news. IPL 2025 SRH retirement. Class 10 Pat Cummins, Abhishek Sharma, Travel Set, Nishit Kumar Reddy. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Harshita of Grade-VII Sapphire, here to give a speech on value of discipline in life. Discipline is an important quality that can help people live a comfortable life. Discipline is practice of training oneself to be systematic and obey rules. It form of self-control reflects in a person's action. It's a key to success in all area of life.
Happy morning everyone. Today thought of the day is brought to you by Abhishnu from Grade-VII Sapphire. Thought. Knowledge will give you power, but character and discipline will give you respect. Thank you.